So, dear children, there are many methods of the separation. Is it? We use many methods of separation in order to remove the impurities and to keep the pure substances. In that, we have been divided into three main things. One is separation of solid substances from the solid, whereas the second one is method of insoluble, separating the insoluble substance from liquid, and the third one is separation of soluble substance from the liquid. So, in the first method, there are 3 or 4 methods that is called. First one is hand picking, second one is sieving, whereas the third one is threshing and winnowing. These are the methods of the separation which we have been identified in order to remove the undesirable substances. So, first one is nothing but hand picking. Do you all see, children? Any kind of the solid substance, suppose we have to remove the undesirable components. So, which is the best method? We are going to remove from the hand itself. Is it? Suppose wheat, jowar and rice your mom has to cook. So, once before cooking, what she will do? She will put in the plate and just see, is it? If any kind of the substances, unwanted particles have been mixed with the food particles, means what she will do? She will just through by her hand, she will pick the stone or grits and she will throw off. Is it, children? This is one of the method that is called hand picking. And second method is, we can all see, is it? Sieving. Jaradi aduvudu, that is called sieving. Usually, the substances like flour, hittu, godi hittu, akki hittu, ragi hittu, is it? These kind of the substances your mother will use in kitchen. Suppose any kind of the flour is there, means she will take the sieving and also she will put the flour in that and she will sieve it, so that only the pure particles will be left behind. Whereas if she are going to sieve, means pure particles will get in the any kind of the vessel, and the impurities get settled in the sieving device. Is it? This is one of the second method which we can use in our home in order to separate the unwanted impurities. And the third method is threshing. You can all see in the village side, the farmers usually use this threshing method in order to separate grains from their stalks. Have you seen there? The best example is for paddy and all. We are going to use this method, that is called threshing or badiyuvudu in Kannada we are going to call. Is it? By doing this method, we can easily separate the grains from the stalk. Got it, children? This is one of the best method which we use in our agricultural field. And the next method is winnowing, turuvudu. Is it? Have you seen this method in your agricultural field, children? Here, husk particles, lighter particles get separated from the heavy particles. Example is ragi. Is it? In your agricultural field, what you are going to do? So, after some methods, this is the process which you will going to adopt in order to get ready to make ready of your grains, that is called ragi. So, the ragi will be mixed with the lighter components or the husk particles. So, in the presence of the wind, what we are going to do? Turuvudu, we are going to say, no, from the up we are going to do like this, so that the ragi gets settled down, whereas the husk particles, lighter particles, by the wind it will going to blow away. So, these are the methods which we are going to use in order to separate the solid particles from solid substances.